review this chainsaw here. It's a beautiful day out here. Well, here's the culprit. We don't want this bad boy touching. Could get a ladder and try to take both those down, but I think I'm just going to take this off. The saw is the law. Let's see if we can do this with just everything that this came with. Yay! Came with 2 batteries, instructions. Let's see what's in here. An oil bottle. Gloves. So you don't even have to get gloves. I guess we just got everything here. Screwdriver. There's a safety glasses. Safety first. What is this for? It's like a little, you like put it on your back or something? That's kind of cool. An extra chain. This extra handle. It didn't come with oil. I had to get this oil. This is bar oil. So you put the oil in here. Oh yeah. I need to oil it up though, so then you can see how much oil it's got. I'm gonna use this just because it came with it. All right, just take that cap off there. Okay, she's filling up. Oh yeah, you can see the meter there. I'm not gonna just jam it. I think that's good enough right there. Just to prime it. There we go. I'm gonna be using this as a pole saw though, so I'm not gonna have this on here. That's why it kind of comes off, I guess. Yeah, you can just cut. I guess these by hand.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Making sure it's the lube is getting on there. You gotta stay lubed up, oiled up. You feel me? All right. Let's see. So I'm gonna hold this in. Yeah, I might need it to go pretty high up there. All right. You plug it in here. All right. I like it straight up and down. We're gonna do it like that, okay? This is lightweight. I was looking at reviews on other ones, and they complained about being heavy. This isn't too heavy. Let's put the battery on here. Okay, so this thing extends pretty far. Let's give it a whirl. Oh yeah, buddy.
Wow.
This is oddly satisfying. And the fact that my vinyl siding isn't going to get damaged. You know what? I need to just most of these I need to start hacking them. Yeah, I'll get y'all one in the TikTok shop. I had a coupon. It was only like 120 bucks. Still kind of expensive, but I mean, it's cheaper than all the other stuff. I'm like oddly worried about the thing falling off and hacking me into pieces, but I guess, the battery would hopefully stop by then. Yeah, come on down, son. You know how badly this would suck? Just climbing up a ladder. And doing it like with little snippers. Oh, actually, I don't like you at all, but all right. I think she's too tall. What do y'all think? I said we just cut some of the bulk of her off. What do you think?
Wow.
Coming in hot. Had to fail. Make sure you don't like drop this on, your wife and kids, make sure. It looks like it's gonna rain out here. All right. A little cleanup time. Fuck my life. Why do we have to work in life? This is almost fun, though, I have to admit. I'm gonna start a business, you know. Weirdbrushtrimming.com. Crunching, cuz. Who goes there? I pity the fool. No trespassing on this property unless you're paying rent. Alright, I'm getting a little aggressive. I will say it does get kind of clogged up. I would recommend taking the battery out before you do this, but I'm not a Marine for no reason. Don't always follow the rules. Mm-mm. There's shit going. Oh, the wind's blowing stuff everywhere. Fighting a hurricane, mate. Just kidding. Everything's fine. Kind of. I have another. See, I have a lot of brush here now. I have another issue coming on over here. Love my pretty azaleas there. Let's see, there's a little bit more shade over here as well. I can fucking breathe, maybe. Hopefully. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm okay with that. It's the way it's rubbing the house there. Okay, it does look like that is rubbing the house as well. Oh, there's a mushroom out here. Let's see here. I'm gonna do some work on that. Oops. Sorry, I didn't need to beat y'all upside the head. Alright, well, I think that's it for today. I'm getting too old for this. Yeah, as you can see, it did everything on the back side, front side of the house. Get you one.